Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a colorful Easter egg plaque with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin the base of our Easter egg with a few 2x4 bricks. I'm going to place 2 right underneath this 2x4 brick. And I'm going to place one on both left and right hand sides. We'll leave these hanging over by a set of studs. Then I want to proceed on with 4 more 2x4 bricks, as shown. Then right in the center, set of 2x4 bricks, and on both left and right hand sides, a pair of 2x3 bricks. Now we're going to start forming up the sides of the egg. On the left hand side, we're going to place a 2x2 brick where it's hanging over by a set of studs. And we're going to place several 2x4 bricks. Now the reason why I'm building it like this is going to get unstable. This is going to be very tall. So I'm just going to place it on a flat surface and continue on. And right here on the right hand side, a 2x2 brick. Make sure this is all mushed in really good. Back on the left, a 2x4 brick. I'm going to have this one hanging over by a set of studs. And we're going to proceed on with a 2x4 brick and 3 2x2 bricks right in the center here. Now I'm keeping all my joints overlapped to make this build really sturdy. And we're going to finish this level up with a pair of 2x4 bricks. That one wants to be stubborn. Next we're going to place a 2x2 brick right here, followed by a 2x4 brick. Then to overlap my joints, 2x3 brick, 2x4 brick, you guessed it, another 2x3 brick, 2x4 and 2x2 bricks to finish up this row. Now we're going to continue on the next row with a 2x4 brick. Make sure that's hanging over by one stud. Then I want to proceed on with several more 2x4 bricks. You notice I've got a pattern going here. I didn't want to build just a plain boring white egg, so try my best to put some decorations on this one. Right back on the left, a 2x2 brick and several more 2x4 bricks. I'm starting to build a little bit of a zigzag pattern right in the middle here. Make sure those are really mushed down. And then back on the right hand side, a 2x2 brick. Back on the left, I'm going to start with a 2x4 brick, and then we're going to continue on with 5 more 2x4 bricks. It's very basic. It's a very basic build, but it's fun. It's colorful. It's fun. This would be something you could do in an afternoon. Place that one right there. Back on the left, a 2x2 brick. And then we're going to continue on with several 2x4 bricks. I'll make sure I get the right colors in here. I mean, I could censor that out, but we're not going to do that. Got to make these more raw and uncut. And then back here will be a 2x2 brick. That's what it looks like on the top so far. In the next row, several 2x4 bricks. Make sure all our joints are still overlapping, because we don't want this thing to split apart while we're building it, let alone putting it on display. For the next row, we're going to start with a 2x4 brick. I want to push this in by one stud, followed by a 2x2, 2x3, 2x4, 2x3, 2x2, and 2x4 bricks. And place those right there. For the next row, we're going to start with a 2x3 brick and 4 2x4 bricks. Place these right here. By the time you're done, your hands are going to be very red. We're going to place this 2x3 brick right here. For the next row, we're going to take several 2x4 bricks. We're going to sink this one in by one stud and just place these right here. Followed by a 2x2 brick, several 2x4 bricks, and a 2x2 brick at the very end. The further you go up, the harder they are to press down. Now for the next layer, I'm going to sink this in by a set of studs, place a 2x3 brick here, followed by set of 2x4 bricks, and at the very end a 2x3 brick. You can pretty much see a pattern that's forming at this point. Some of these are going to be hard to muscle in. If you want to brave it, you could just press this down and pound that in. Now we're going to sink in another stud with a 2x4 brick. I'm going to take a set of 2x4 bricks, place these right here. We're going to add a little bit of color to the top of our egg, and to finish it up with another 2x4 brick. For the next row, we're going to go in by one stud, and we're going to place a 2x4 brick followed by a set of 2x2 bricks right in the center. Usually these are easier to place in, and a 2x4 brick right here. And to finish up the top, several 2x4 bricks go in by one stud. We're going to place this right here. And we're going to sink in by two studs, place two more 2x4 bricks, and we're going to crown off the top with a 2x4 brick. And we have ourselves a nice little Easter egg plaque. Nice, bright, and colorful.